Hey there, Python enthusiasts! Welcome back to the 100 Days of Python series. Today is day 4, and we're diving into the fascinating world of conditional statements. Ready to make decisions with your code? Let's get started. Let's start with the basics. What are conditional statements? Conditional statements allow your program to make decisions based on certain conditions. Think of them as the if this, then that logic in your code. They let you control the flow of your program by executing different blocks of code based on whether conditions are true or false. In Python, we use if, elif, and else to create conditional statements. Let's dive into each one. Here's a simple example. See how that works? The if statement checks a condition, and if it's true, the code block under it runs. If not, it moves to elif and finally else if none of the conditions are true. Comparisons and logical operators. Now, let's talk about comparisons and logical operators. They help us write more complex conditions. Here are some comparison operators. Logical operators combine multiple conditions, like this. Combining these operators allows us to make powerful decisions in our programs. Writing clean and efficient code. Now that we know how to use conditional statements and operators, let's focus on writing clean and efficient code. Here's how you can keep your code clean. Indentation. Proper indentation is crucial in Python as it defines the scope of your conditions. Avoiding nested conditions. Too many nested conditions can make your code hard to read. Try to flatten them when possible. Using Boolean variables, they can make your conditions clearer. Clean code is easier to read, debug, and maintain. And there you have it, folks, a quick dive into conditional statements in Python. Keep practicing, and you'll be amazed at how quickly you progress. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe, and ring that bell for more awesome Python content. See you tomorrow for day 5. Keep coding.